title of this writing is Anything is More Probable If You Go After the Impossible. We usually hear it a different way. All things are possible, but not all things are probable. Probability is a percentage, and in the world of possibility, infinity, there's no such thing as 0%. I guess a good start would be to buy in more to possibility. How many impossible things have happened in the face of just about everybody agreeing they were impossible? We crank up the probability percentage when we adopt the all things are possible mindset. There are infinite combinations just waiting for us to put them together, but we stop ourselves from acting with the conditioned belief of impossible. My hypnosis teacher, Dr. Dave Dobson, had the following response when someone would ask him if hypnosis would be effective in addressing his or her specific issue. I don't know what's not possible. That was his way of saying, let's give it a go and find out. Exploring possibility has a high probability of increasing the percentages of you getting what you're pursuing. Focusing on the actuarial data of probability takes possibility out of focus. Playing probability is playing it safe. That means that you deprive yourself of possibilities by being fearful of the potential highs and lows that are associated with going after it. Have you ever noticed that possibility people are not dull? Contrast them with the person who has the probability stop sign posted at every intersection. I'm guilty of being both of these folks. What I found was, in most cases where I said, it can't be done, what I was really saying was, I'm not willing to do the necessary work to make that possible. Possibility takes work. Probability is leaning on work that's already been done. Unless you're willing to roll up your sleeves to find out what's possible, you'll be locked inside a history book with very little probability of getting out. All the best, John.